time. Because you know what, I realized that in these working times, in these working days, you want to be comfortable. You know what I'm saying? How awesome does this look? Got a headband on, looks like I have nothing on. You know what, I'm gonna go throw on my wig. I should go throw on. You know what, no, I'm not gonna go throw on my wig. Alright guys, so in this part of the video, I will be showing y'all how, so guys, in this part of the video, or in this video, I will be unboxing everything that I bought and everything that I got. So, let's get into it. Where should I start? Alright, let's start with the Amazon boxes, okay? So, I already opened them, but I opened them just to make sure that I know what I got was right and correct. So this is the first thing I got in the box, and it is pigments. It was like maybe $12, $14 on Amazon. And then the second thing I got is some castor oil. So that's gonna be useful. Alright guys, in this box, like I said, I already opened everything. I got some pipettes. You're gonna need pipettes. And let's see, I also got some tubes. This is 60 tubes in there, so some tubes. So we're just gonna put this stuff back in here. Put that down here. So we got the castor oil, we got the tubes, we got the pigments, and we got the pipettes. So this morning I just went shopping with my girl, and we got more stuff. Oh, by the way, let me show you all my business cards. I did them myself at home, so they're as best as they can be. But there you go, little business card action. And then with the business card, you're also going to get a support Black businesses card. And it's not just for me, it's for everyone, like support all Black businesses. And it has a discount code on there, which y'all know about it, but yeah, because y'all are YouTube fans, so of course you know about the discount code. If you don't know what the discount code is, it is NONOYT. So no YouTube, that's what it stands for. So, or yours truly, or whatever. Okay, so y'all, I'm about to tell you a secret. I am about to start a lip scrub. So I bought some packets, and these are lemonade packets because I want it to really, like, obviously I want to have flavoring, but y'all, I want it to taste like it. And I don't like, everyone's like, my lip scrub is so edible, you can eat it if you want to. I don't know why you want to eat your dead skin off your lips or lick it, but if you do, we offer it for your weird fetishes here at Shop Noni, okay? I also got lemonade. I got Sun Kissed Orange, not Crush. And then I got Zero Sugar Kool-Aid Sour Blue Raspberry. So yeah. Y'all, if y'all see any dark underneath my armpits, I gotta shave my underarms. Okay. So that goes in here. I picked up some tape because we need some tape. And I also picked up some paper clips, so when I do ship out an order, right now I have two, y'all, I got my first 2 orders. I don't know why someone bought for me, but I'm like so happy. Like I know why, because I have good stuff, but like it meant the world to me. And they're part of my ambassador program, so that makes me happy. So these 2 are gonna go together like this, and you're gonna have a paper clip on there. So. And then I picked up some organza bags and a thank you card. So the business card and the support Black businesses are all going to go inside this thank you card, which is going to be in an envelope. So super cute. And like I said, guys, I'm just starting off, so don't come at me. for not having the right equipment. Yeah. Alright. Secondly, I bought this from Dollar Tree. This is just gonna keep all of my, like, I'm writing all of my ingredients and how I'm making stuff on index cards, and they're gonna go in here. So all the measurements and stuff and my receipts for everything I'm buying is going in here. This is going inside of the organza bag. It's just like cute little sprinklies, which I think I'm gonna put this with maybe the lip scrub. Or no. This goes with my jewelry brand. Now, if you don't know, Noni is also a jewelry brand, and that is at Shop Noni on Instagram, and then you have, of course, at Noni Cosmetics. But this is gonna go with the jewelry. And then I got some crinkle paper, 2 different kinds, which is gonna go with the lipsticks and lip glosses. I also got cute little tissue papers for me to like fold up stuff and just to make it look nice and neat and take it. Look how cute that is. Super cute. Like I said, y'all, I didn't have shaved all that around. And this is my friend's scissors, so we're just gonna put them in the bag. And like I said, I'm also making lip scrubs. So I did get some pure cane sugar, and it is all natural, and it is no GMOs. So, super cool. And the only ingredient is 100% pure cane sugar. So this texture is very coarse and a lot more grainier than normal sugar, granulated sugar, which is going to be perfect for your beautiful lips. So I got some of that. Okay. Next, I got another bin because y'all, you can never have enough bins. So I got another bin. I got a tray. It's a really cute pink tray, which you can use for whatever. You put jewelry on it, take pictures on it, lip gloss. So that's what that's there for. Got some clean wrap, cushion wrap to protect any of the lip glosses. And this is mainly for my jewelry and maybe my scrubs. We'll see. I got me some gloves because you gotta be sanitary. Yeah, you need gloves. If you don't have gloves, you need to get gloves. And I got my labels, so I can print out some labels to put on the lip glosses. Okay, so we went through all that. Now, what's inside the box? So I do have more gloves in here. I also have some essential oils. I have some eyeshadows, some vitamin E oil, syringe. And when I say I went crazy on coconut, y'all, I bought 5 of these coconuts. They're from Dollar Tree. They're just coconut oil. They're 100% pure refined coconut oil. And I bought 5 of them. So I went a little crazy. Alright, so in this one, y'all, like I said, coconut oil. We actually have lip glosses that I already made right here. Super cute. Super cute. And we have those in there. Oh man, that smells so good. I have more tubes in here. Like I said, y'all, you can never have enough tubes. The first tubes are 60. These are like 10. So that's 70 tubes. And I got baby wipes because you need baby wipes. Also, check out my last video. So I basically showed y'all everything I got from my last video. This is just giving y'all an update on more things that I purchased. Yeah, this is like my favorite bin. But it has a lot of petroleum jelly and a lot of vitamin E oil and our baby oil. And obviously I have the bucket, that's new, that's to wash my tubes. I bought plates or bowls. And I think that's it. Alright guys, so that is my inventory haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope everything was useful so y'all can start off your lip gloss company or whatever you want to do. But like for me, I always say this in every video, Noni is not a lip gloss company. It is a cosmetic company. You're going to have more than just lip gloss, lip scrubs. We're going to have so much in store. And you're going to see this company like in MAC, in Sephora. It's going to be a big deal one day. So don't sleep on it now. Please don't. I promise you. You're going to make a big mistake if you think that Noni's just this little lip gloss brand. I promise you. Alright guys, I'll see you on my next video. Comment down below what y'all want to see. And let me know what y'all think about everything that I got. Alright, bye guys. Oh, and thank you for the people that are joining my ambassador program. Y'all are going to love the benefits. And yeah, I really appreciate the people that also ordered from me as well.